Okay, so this is just a follow-up video on the Caesar cipher one I made. That program only changed the piece of text to gibberish. This one is meant to reverse that action. So it's kind of similar. It's an online text converter. Like last time, I made a dictionary, only this one is backwards. So f is equal to a instead of a is equal to f. Okay, so I'm gonna make a function called undo text, where onText is our input. Then add another list into brackets. It's basically similar to the same one to last time's one here. Where is it? Here, but it's just backwards. So for I in range, length of text, onText I mean. Give me I cannot spell. So this function is basically saying while I is less than or equal to the length of our text entered and letter to I. So that's basically the first letter. This repeats until all the letters are changed. Wrong bracket. Then I'm gonna add that to the list. Append basically means add to the end. And then full changed letter is equal to join. And then join our list to make one word. And just print a new line. So I just say tree. Yes. Nothing happens. We're not changing anything back because I haven't called that function yet. So I'm gonna create a new while loop. So while repeat. No, I'm gonna wait for some. So repeat. Wait, no, I already have this. So repeat is equal to. This should probably go down here. After I've actually declared everything. Go away. Make another variable. So while. I should probably change this to cipher or decipher. I found out yesterday cipher is actually spelled with an I and not a Y. So that's interesting. Could have sworn I've seen it with a Y. C for cipher and D for decipher. And then while repeat is not equal to C, repeat is equal to D. Gotta call the function undo text. So have that. And then I wanna decipher. So if I enter this, it should print out our original text. So MFKEF. Oh, it's up. Forgot the 2. Silly me. Let's go again. Okay, decipher, so MFE K and F. Oh my god. I actually cannot spell. Third time's the whatever. Decipher MFE K and F. Oops. Yay! Oh my god! Did I spell my name wrong? Okay, so. Oh! Decipher. And MFKEF on cipher. Decipher. Oh my god, I did it! MFKEF and then if I want to quit, just run. There we go. So basically we've created a loop of ciphering, deciphering, ciphering, deciphering, whatever that is. Okay, so oh, I'm so tired. Okay, that is it for now. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. I'd love to answer them. Thanks for watching and stay safe.